Hello, my name is Amina. I'm from the Digital Skills team, and in this clip I'm going to cover how you embed a widget or a little object into your Blackboard module. This is an example of a SlideShare presentation embedded in Blackboard. And this is a Twitter stream that's embedded in Blackboard. Basically, these are widgets or embedded objects, little tools which drop into your Blackboard page and do something. All you need to make these is the code, which you get from the respective website, and we'll cover how to get the code in a bit. First, I'm going to show you how to add or embed the code into Blackboard. It's really simple. So here, I'm adding a new item. You could also do this in an announcement, basically anywhere where you see the big text editor box. You only need to do two things. First, click on the chevrons to go into HTML source mode. Then simply paste the code that you would have copied from the website into the text box and submit. And you will see the embedded object or widget appear at the bottom of your page. Done! So now let's take a look at where you get this code from. This is my Twitter account, and I'm going to go into settings. So use the drop down arrow next to the cog at the top of the screen and choose settings. Then choose widgets. Any widgets you've already created will be listed. You could go back and edit those, but I'm going to create a new one. First, you have to choose the type of widget you want. User timeline will be all of your tweets, so the pressure's on there to tweet regularly. Favorites picks up any tweets that you star as a favorite. If you have lists set up in your Twitter account, you can stream them using the lists option. Lists are useful. For example, you could group a few prolific tweeting experts together into one list, and then your widget would just stream tweets from them. Or search, which is great for back channeling. For example, if you're organising an event or you're using a specific hashtag for your module, the search option streams all tweets according to the hashtag that you choose. Just note that the default here is corgi, which confuses everybody when they do it for the first time. Once you have chosen your widget type, you can change some other settings like the height and the width of the widget. And once you're happy, save your changes and then simply copy the code that it gives you. Here is another example. This is SlideShare and Helen Keegan's excellent keynote presentation. Up at the top, I see an option to embed. This is where I'm going to get the code from. Generally, you're looking for an embed or a share option. After clicking on embed, here's the code that I need, along with a very handy button that I can click on to copy it. Note that Blackboard already has a mashup tool which will save you from manually having to embed content from YouTube or Flickr. And you can find that by going to Build Content, and it's on the right hand side under Mashups. And finally, just a reminder that once you've got the code copied, simply go to the text box where you want it to appear, click on the chevrons and paste it in.